Hydrate.
What is it? Disgusting shot.
I swallowed a seed.
Oh, good thing I put 2 cans together this morning. You see the crack in that?
Is that why there's 2 together?
Yeah, it must have been.
Throw that one with the crack out. Here, give it to me. I'll throw it out.
Crack kills! I saw that!
In this neighborhood, it sure doesn't.
You're doing a lot of cleaning right now.
I need it to get myself going right now.
You're warming up.
I need the Saturday when you left me.
Yep.
And I was outside and I was looking for all the brothers to ride with.
Yep.
Okay, a guy rolled up on his bicycle, presented me with a gift.
Wow.
Yeah.
What was that?
That's
what that is?
Yeah. This is a gift. That's what that
pretty
is.
cool.
Broken belt buckle.
It's broken though.
That's still cool.
You know, he had it next to his 5th of Rubinoff or whatever it was in there.
The thought counted.
The thought counted. He said he's buttering me up because he's gonna want a 50cc mini bike that he can put a bigger. I need to help him put a bigger motor in it so he doesn't have to get, because he can't get his license.
Like he's trying to hack the system, sort of thing.
He's trying to hack the system. He seemed a lot more put together than the rest of them out there. I mean, he definitely probably isn't, but has a job, has access to belt buckles.
Okay.
Okay, had a very nice like mountain bike. He was the guy that left the bag of tools in the back of the door.
He told you that?
Yeah, I met him before.
Oh, okay.
He came over here when the door was open.
I never met him.
Yeah, yeah. He's a new member to the
Neighborhood?
to the neighborhood.
Just
freak,
moved
to
in?
the neighborhood freak show.
Came from Boston?
Yep, sure did.
That's
He came from the penitentiary. Okay? That's where he came from. What? All right. What's the plan here, Craig? Because, well, why don't we just bang this thing out right now to get it to the point where the motor can go in,
Okay.
and then I'll just move on to the fender trim.
Okay.
Progress. It's almost there. I can't wait for the comments. That's gonna hit you, sissy bar, when you ride, and it's gonna. What's the point of even doing that?
Watch your language.
When I was a kid, my father had a bike and it didn't look like that, and that's not the way you build bikes. Okay? That's never gonna work out. It's gonna clunk your old lady in the face and knock her tits on the ground. You're gonna put her tits in the dirt with that. Alright? My knucklehead, well, I mean, I don't have a knucklehead, but if I did have one, it'd have that. I have a Honda Rebel, but I'm working up to a knucklehead.
Oh, he has a Honda Rebel, but he's a knucklehead.
Yeah, there it is. That's right, Craig. Get the shot, dude. The ball.
It's a weird one.
Yeah. Is it crooked? No one will ever know.
On
the kickstand, it's straight as an arrow.
Wow.
That's right. I want one of the snake kickstands, dude.
Yeah, well, pay the piper.
I know, it's like $600.
It's worth it.
So cool. And that's just a stock length kickstand.
It's worth it.
Dude, I'll spend our money quick.
Okay.
Alright? Quickly.
I'm sure you will.
You know what they call people?
That's right.
It just has to be to your life.
I'm eccentric. Alright, let's do this.
Is there any qualms to putting the motor in?
I don't give a fuck, dude. We can't, right?
Can we do the cam cover in the frame?
Yep.
We can cut the cover in the frame.
We'll take it off. Then yeah, let's put everything on.
Let's put it all together right now. Throttle addiction. But I will. ThrottleAddiction.com, baby. Go to it. Click the link in the description. Click the link over here. All right? Go there. Buy it. Hardtails, sissy bars. This hardtail right here, this whole kit. Oil bag, sissy bar, seat. ThrottleAddiction.com, baby. Bend.
Bing, bang, boom.
Go to it. Peace. You tell me, you took it apart. What do you want to do here?
That one goes there.
Okay, where's the...
This is insane.
Is there a lock washer?
You might have to acquire these things.
Just a scotch of red. It should never come out. Oh, they're gonna have to touch up the paint.
Lock washers are one-time use, okay?
Are they?
It's just what I read.
You read that? Is that for real?
I've heard it somewhere, yeah.
Those people are crazy.
You need that?
It's a nice piece, I'm just saying. I can't, it won't come out.
Whoops.
Don't worry, we brought touch-up paint with us.
Everywhere we go.
That's right. This was this was painted in-house at our personal paint booth.
Yep.
In the back alley. Per our customer's request. We do custom paint jobs in the back alley.
My can control isn't the best,
Yeah,
but
that's all right. Main south can control. That's what our paint company's called.
All right.
There goes the ozone layer.
Yeah, the ozone layer above this area is pretty gone.
It's not even, ozone's not even real, dude.
The ozone I heard was a construct. And we don't like constructs. We're doing a whole episode where I hold the camera next time.
No.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the shot. That's the shot. Look at that. Look at that body in motion. This is how the vloggers do it.
They do actually.
This is how they all do it. All the pros.
We're out here at the Eazy Company shop.
Today I thought maybe that I'd just tell you guys, give you guys a heads up on how I'm feeling mentally.
Nice.
Look at this. Look at all this organization.
What do we do now?
Moving right on. How's this shirt? Just one of Josh's shirts.
Ugh.
Ugh. I get some. I won't wear deodorant, dude, and I'll get a whiff, and it's crazy sometimes.
In like a, it smells good way,
In
right?
like a not great way.
We need washers.
We need washers. We need
Razor blades.
We need gaskets. We need knuckleheads.
Give me a little spritzer.
So we need a tire machine. We need more space. We need more episodes about our feelings.
Stop,
What?
dude.
What? We need Prism Supply to acknowledge us.
You are
You're
blowing.
blowing it. Dude, don't scratch the paint.
There we go. I got one.
How did you walk this up with 5/8? We don't have any 5/8 bolts up here, out here.
5/8. I would hope we don't have 5/8.
I mean 5/16 bolts. How did you?
I have a ton. That's
you?
3/8. What's that?
Easy Times Chopper Rally.
Oh,
Come
yeah.
out July 9th, guys. We're having a motorcycle show, motorcycle rally, motorcycle party. We're gonna be drunk with motorcycles, meaning we're gonna be sober and safe with motorcycles. Drunk on fun. Okay?
There are plenty of Ubers available.
Plenty of Ubers available. There's hotel walking distance from Ralph's. We will be posting all sorts of information about where you can stay. You can't stay at the shop, don't fucking ask.
Someone did, didn't they?
Yeah. Smelter.
Was it? It was Smelter.
Of course it was Smelter.
We're good with that.
Of course it was Smelter,
Nice
dude.
try. You have money?
You
Like,
got your
you're an
dad's
adult.
credit card, dude.
Yeah.
Why don't you swipe that thing and get a fucking hotel room, dude? Daddy's money. Okay, that's what you call it. You always say it when you're up here. I'm just gonna use daddy's money.
Motor time?
Motor time.
Okay.
What do you? What's the plan? What do you want to do?
Do you want to just make sure all the cables and shit are out? I'll carry it. You make sure the cables are out of the way, and then
And
you
I'll
just
be on that
the
side
other
to
side.
lift.
Yeah. Standard positions. I hate this.
I feel like it was a cast iron motor.
Oh, it tore up my stomach bad.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Ready? Probably should have put the oil in last.
Hang on, get this out of there.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
There's always so much I feel comfortable filming,
I totally get it.
and this domestic dispute is just not.
This is sometimes why we don't get things done on time.
Yeah. Holy hell, dude.
Yeah, this is what Craig's house is like.
This I felt at home for a second.
Did you feel comfortable?
And now I feel bad.
If she asked for, if she was like help,
Help, I would help, yeah.
But she never. She seemed like she had her.
I don't think this is the first time this has ever
I don't
happened.
think this is either. For as long as we've been here, we really have never seen like an actual
I've seen one fight.
one fight. Yeah, that I wasn't here for that. Oh, this is good stuff.
That just made me feel strange inside.
I mean, yeah. Fine threads are the worst.
I think.
I want time and a half if I'm dealing with fine thread.
The front motor mount shit. Right here.
I think we're in.
Good job. Now we're in.
We're in?
I don't know if we're cross-threaded, but we're in.
All right. Well, that's a fun feeling. You gonna go see the Elvis movie, bro?
Am I?
Yeah, are you? Yeah. I'll wait till it comes out of my stories.
We did it.
We did it. Chopper. Wait.
Ooh.
Chopper.
It's a chopper.
I would love I need a coffee. Like,
Yeah?
bad. Guys, we're freaking out over here. Okay? We're blowing it. We're blowing it.
We are blowing it.
We are blowing it, okay? We're so close to the finish line. Like and subscribe. See the Knucklehead at Virginia City Roundup. Come to fucking Easy Times Chopper Rally July 9th at Ralph Steiner, right down the road. All right? Should have never done this. Like and subscribe to the channel, like and subscribe to life. New video pedophilia, like and subscribe, okay?
Suscríbete.
This, all right? Like and subscribe to the channel, like and subscribe to life. Follow us, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. We have a Patreon. We're gonna start doing Patreon stuff. We promise. We don't know what yet, but we're gonna.
Please help us with that.
Please help us with that. If someone understands Patreon, please hit us up. If someone understands audio, motorcycle intercoms, and GoPros audio, hit us up. We need help. Like and subscribe to the channel, like and subscribe to life. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Goodbye.
And that'll do it.
Hit him with a like and subscribe, Paul.
Like and subscribe.
That's what they needed.